Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Snapchat. The process of blocking someone on Snapchat takes you only a minute, and here's how to do it. Open Snapchat and log into your account. Swipe right to the chat screen. Select a friend to open a chat with them, then tap their profile. Click on the three dots icon, then select Manage Friendship. Now, tap Block and confirm you action. And that's all you need to block a person. When you block someone on Snapchat, they can't know that immediately since Snapchat doesn't send a notification that they have been blocked. However, over time, they come to know due to changes in your activity on Snapchat. These changes include disappearing your account, not being able to see your stories, or can't even text you. For them to confirm this, then they will need to follow the process of how to tell if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Blocking someone is ideal when you want to limit contact with the other person fully. But sometimes this extreme option isn't the ideal option to take. Therefore, when you feel like don't want to limit your contact with someone fully, you can choose any of these less restrictive options. Remove friend from the friend list. Set only friends to contact you. And last, try using Do Not Disturb feature. This feature is similar to the turning off app notification feature that will limit notifications from friends or group chats. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.